Good afternoon. I want to show you some things today with regards to ShoreTel Connect, the Connect client, and AWS, Amazon Web Services. So first thing I want to do is I want to fire up my Connect client. All right, actually I'm going to log out so you can see here under Preferences that I'm actually using a fully qualified DNS, which is connectclient.lantelligence.com, on my username. All right. And there is my connection. You can see that I'm green here, and I've got my security. I'm going to move this over here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave that up on the screen, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up Amazon Web Services. Sorry, Amazon Workspaces, which is part of the Amazon Web Services feature and functionality. Make sure this is all into the screen here. All right. So what I thought was I was playing around with this, and this is a desktop that's in the Amazon cloud that has internet access. And I thought, well, you know what? Maybe I could get access and set up the ShoreTel Connect on it. So let's do that. So I'll fire up the ShoreTel Connect in the Amazon Workspace. And there we go. So it's going to my login information, and I'm going to show you down here. I'm using my fully qualified DNS, and I'm going to put in my password, and I'm going to log in. Now actually I have these both side by side, so what you can see here is, although this is running on my desktop, and I've got on Amazon the Workspace, just move that over so you can see it both. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to change my call handling modes. And what you'll see is it almost immediately syncs up. So both on my Amazon Workspace and my desktop, I have the full functionality. So I can actually dial from here. I can send chat messages. I can email. I can see presence information. And basically, it reflects exactly what's on my desktop. Then I thought, you know what? What about our contact center? Because we're running the Enterprise Contact Center for Connect. So I'll open up the web page for Google Connect, LANtelligence Contact Center. And then we have the login screen here. So again, we got our fully qualified DNS name. I'm going to log in. And now what you see is I'm actually logged into the contact center. So if I take a look at my queues, I can see the ones that I'm logged into. I don't want to log into that one right now. System down. So just stay logged into TAC 3. What you can see is I've got my queues. I can see my agents who are actually on calls, who are taking calls. Click on their name. I can see who they're speaking to. I can also change my call handling modes, but I can change my disposition codes and my release codes by putting myself on break in a meeting and put myself back in and log out for the end of the day. So I'm now logged out of my queues, and at the end of the day, I sign out. So here we go. Using Amazon Web Spaces or Workspaces on the Amazon Web Services functionality, I've been able to run my ShoreTel Connect client and also my contact center client.